In this video I will show you how to avoid timeout errors on Power BI OData downloads. Here's an example of a timeout error in Power BI. Open your report and click Transform Data. Now click on the Advanced Editor. Select the next part of the query. Now change the query to the following. Enter your chosen ID for the source to something meaningful. Now click Done. Repeat this for all queries in your report. Now click Done. Now click Close and apply. The modification is now finished.